Yeah, I'm back. I had to attend to the baby. For those of my subscribers who don't know or haven't watched my recently added video, yeah, your baby girl is now with mom. So I had to attend to the baby. Okay, so let's get back.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew.
Hey guys, welcome back to queent'stv. If this is your first time here, you are warmly welcome, and to my old subscribers, thank you for always watching. And for those of you viewing my videos for the very first time, you have to subscribe. If you are a natural hair fan, if you are a cooking fan, and if you are a lifestyle vlog fan. Okay guys, thank you so much for stopping by and for watching. Today I'm going to show you guys how to perfectly twist your natural hair. Here I have this section I twisted already, so you can see.
Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was.
And this other section I haven't twisted. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. First of all, you need to make sure that your hair has been sectioned. My hair is long, so I had like 6 twists, 6 big twists. If your hair is short, you can do like buns. You can even do 10 buns, 6 buns. It depends on how short your hair is, so that you prevent the hair from tangling up when you're twisting, and you easily twist your hair without any stress. So what I need is this, my comb. I'll have my olive oil here, and then I have my leave-in conditioner. So first things first, I just take out one of these twists.
It's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No one ever wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you
take out one of these twists.
Fully
I'm
aware
just going
this
to
is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have.
In natural hair, you know, not you have to really do gradually. Oh, one more important thing, you will need your mirror. If you're doing your hair alone, you will need your mirror, so I have to get a mirror now.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on the full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Ain't no love like a real love, but it goes so fast. All tied up like a captive. I'm onto you. Used to pity my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I know my patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me Ain't no luck finding real love. Gotta know where to look. Time moves fast, and I've grown up. Yeah, I want to you. Used to pity my mind like standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in
Yeah, I'm back. I had to attend to the baby. For those of my subscribers who don't know or haven't watched my recently added video, yeah, Your baby girl is not with mom. So I had to attend to the baby. Okay, so let's get back. So guys, here is the final product. Amazing, right? So that's how it is, and this is my best protective style. I don't like putting on weaves or wigs. Yeah, I actually prefer this because with this I can easily take care of my natural hair. And I use my spray every day to spray the hair so as to keep the hair moisturized, prevent dryness, and also it promotes hair growth, because when your hair doesn't break, it just grows instead of growing and breaking. So that's how I prevent my hair from breaking, by using my self-made spray. Okay guys, so don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so each time I upload a video you are the first to get notified. Your girl has amazing tips for you on natural hair, whatever you're interested in. Lifestyle videos, get notified as well. Vlogs, you will get notified as well. So guys, for sure you'll get notified as well. Okay, that's what we have for today. My natural hair fans, my natural hair lovers, click the notification